Hi, I'm Michael Weisner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon baby bird. Let's get started. Alright guys, to begin with drawing out our cartoon baby bird, I'm going to first draw out the head, which, with most cartoon animal birds, start off with the bottom, being a bit oval, and then don't connect it. You actually carry it over, make a huge head, like so, like that. And then, now that we have that, we're going to draw out a little beak. And I'm going to draw out some big eyes. And I'm going to add some little hairs to the top of it. And maybe a little rosy cheeks, because it's a baby. And then we're going to draw a little body. Like so. And then we'll put him in a little nest. Maybe put a little bow too. And that's how you draw a cartoon baby bird. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.